Osa you know, Gavin no way. Again, and I'm when you get ya. You get a wet for you. No Kenya. Osa you know, Gavin no way. Again, and I'm when you get ya. You get a wet for you. Baba you know, Gavin no way. Again, no need to go to Banana. Get a wet Kenya. Osa you know, Gavin no way. Again, and I'm when you get ya.
Yeah, share this video. Let's start. Let's continue where we stop. All right. Yeah, but the one that says, let's go straight to the reason why we're here tonight. Hope you understand me now. Please share this video as you are watching this broadcast. Let's continue for where we stabilize of our latest video.
Okay, right now, the me and I'm a young guitar here and where you go nowhere. Yeah, 500 pounds in way. Okay, do I say and I do a ham when I wear? I get it, go to do a very good woman. When I want my son, eh? Only me now, one more. for you you go a problem where or an egg where and no one working wish I go ya so that is the reason why no okay we as a father who was so tired one anything who can walk no buy one rene so far where matter no mutiaji e mutia no one pa woman oni asie poloa woman oni ya wo no na we ma bele wage no to yata okwo no joge ya gba okbia no joge ya finish life okbia no joge ya agbon ya we ma bege only we yan do gbina na abi only we yan ha we ni agesi poloto oboku we ma we gbon ni oboku we ma we gbon ni okay we like ni women so na ya ga nya do a me not back there is no way no ya ha we okay let me ni wa ha we atu ari any problem that no give a problem when we atu ari any problem atu ari e photo ge that no give photo ge when na go turn ni that no we kana go give photo ge na this atu ari e photo ge o gian e do we ma na e watu ari o gian we no e mo tai but o gian we no mo gi tai mo we na o gian we no because both of you are not together for so many time for so many years and no igbera 1 year ne no dey 2 years ne no gbera ne whatever wa stay wa mojo wa mu wa le no wa gbaga when ni tama we and no cause atu ari o ma cause anywhere o ma cause anywhere because ne ru that worry oh we are here where what we are here where a small boy who that worry small boy na fila kon bu ege ni ru that worry small boy na ya we jama ege ni ti na ma de gbe ke we gbe de mo kan we pa I'm sorry okay then we gitana e we he forgive me the reason pa ni ye boy na ya we video we ru that what when ya won election or fear we na do our we do agbon le na ya me na support you we abu we na me we do ya pita we inya pa mama ya kere ma we ni ke ga o tun e ka win in date o kareba ni ne and so God bless ene or wish a blessing in it emi no sa wo ma re do agbon no matter the situation no matter unu ma na agbon ma ni oye come to that oye succeed in life nobody no bring government no so about you see nobody no bring it down. Where major good luck ya think about it. Where jare good luck ya again. As a presidency. Where my bag no casino. When ya do se bag ni bote o salo bana wo ga rukbo ni. Ona je me president ni. Yo je be joboy ata where I don't need it anymore. Ta shake ona we manage day or test no beg even no je. O no on sano. Ona you boy worry or we no. Yes. So we were so more I want by you bonire. I say what ye don't count so much a year keko. But only by nana where I know what like on river gama. But on river wema. Epa wo. Lao. Actually in we forgive now. You are here in best side the lie. Facebook now. In best side there, we have here. In best side there, presidency. You're here like Facebook now. Exact Bobo can ma teme we. Exact Bobo can ma feedback we. Where my I payment no we. Eto where I wa. Kakabo. Edi e ma gbon na waje. We la nu wa ari ona wala we gbe yo get lawe gbe yo ese. Wa e bege we ba nu gwa no. O wa no gwa le time for we. O wa le ne. Dia kuri age we no han ro. E mo gbo we gbo to no mo ro pa. E mo gbo we gbo to no mo ro pa. Not for any reason. E try. E rima uki. Ma respect we. Kakabo. Okay, no we do aswe ni na. Where no do where you shall Facebook na. Abu we my. Where no do where you shall Facebook na baba. Where my. Where no do where you shall Facebook. Oruda where you shall. Bote na ga temata. Oruda where you shall. Kakabono. We me so egeni. Bi kuni ye di omo ade. Obiere ruda where you shall. Kakabo. Ya se gbo na ge ari kuni. Iya me pali kuro bere no magic no de no girl ma de ni ati e yo kan aboki na la moto e ba no ma la live video okay jo bere ya si won so wa o bere materi ko ye be girl ma de e mi no heke no wo unu as a father we wa mia iye egu ma mia be ko tute unu te we oga egwe me bi we e no wa egwe na si agbon ya koko baba emi no gba emi na gba because I will never be happy. If they can't give, do I feel like on boy? You go when it's summer. You are a father. I respect you. And when my mama way. Yeah, where they run yahoo, the mom making a cook bay, the mom making a cook bay. You tried. That's my ya. Why ya kabo no heke ya? But it's okay. Hey, you work with that video, man. Thank you, my lovers. Thank you so much. Because every day, I come across this girl on live video. Or why video get now? No work bebe. No even na. Or what total or ever now? I gave an hour to two. Obi honey. I see no reason none of the Wajenio can wait or ya back on the Facebook. My beg the reason why. My beg the reason why. None of the Wajenio can wait or ya back on the Facebook. Eh, me not back.
Share the video. Share the video. The same people with the clap and they follow Monica because of a bag of rice. Out of greediness. Shameless set of people who lost their pride for a bag of rice.
You know?
Yes, Tori.
If you call me again, I will block you. I'm going to block you right now. When you call me again, I'm going to block you. Or you stop calling me. You called me, I will block you. You don't have to call me on video.
Share the video. Yes, Tori.
Even anytime I will hear Roma okay. You understand? You knock back. You made a mistake. Although I am where I made a mistake. Who made a mistake? Come away. On your way, how can you go where Uriabe Vani Kakapo? Because the manatama where Uriabe Emma Uriabe remarking, but I can wait on Mariabe, who understand they are mocking. Baba, you know your mother, your but my head were in for me. I reckon my baby, my work, a head of I cannot say, but the problem is this is where realizing mistake you went because. Hey, Nana. Shame and disgrace now don't enter your body.
I told her that way. I wish shame and disgrace you like being there. I told her I would do more get on your What you know that time I would do the tests. They say we shouldn't be the breath.
Shame and disgrace.
The breath you know way.
Don't enter only your body. Hell. Shame and disgrace enter your body.
Okay.
I can't be today. Oh wait, say women at your baba, TJ. You think say now all family you go marry, you will begin to misbehave. You think like that? All family you go marry. When you don't marry, finish, you can't begin to misbehave. Not be all family. Because in mana ha moriabo get toriabo. Oh we el in what so level na jina. Etinyeriawa amini uriawa. Okay, if not Baba wait this man now. All this matter will not go here. There's a Felicia, a Felekia, or my call over here, but we like the material. A matter I have is there because a Felicia or a not do or a kino do. Felicia, you know what you do. Now he make a call they call from Victor. They tell us say no go nowhere. Go nowhere. Okay, where we are brother from Victor when I where we are brother from Victor when I will call it the live video. My brother when he push you when look at the people that push you that day to call from Victor. Here move what a problem in one wajena. Because either two are the tier when you call it from Victor, no tier bonnet. I never can boki or tier way. Or mumu love or tier when you call it from Victor. At the end now, what is soon over the nana. For our family A to Z, shame and disgrace or
now old videos. As we can let know how to take beats Monica. Now old video.
A to Z, A to Z.
This is people they fight Monica. Where this whole scenario start from?
Europe, Benin women. Benin women. Now be the adulterous women we know. Benin women is the adulterous women in Europe, the one we know. Benin women, adulterous, lots of them.
Now they are
a lot of them.
My network.
The one now when we say come married to Benin man now, where we know say this one a Benin man married, where God don't expose the nyash now, for everywhere for social media don't spoil. E yari agbuwa, or yagbuwa Adeni we are ne wemu, abu we no vatsa, uwe no bele blo, abu we ni bele kia. Falo bua, uwe ni bele kia.
Monica yera.
So where be say they kill cassava.
Oh look.
So where they kill a kia.
Oh look.
When it bele kia.
Wonderful.
One about the jere jenena.
Shalom.
Family is wala jana na bele kiwa ya wulo e. Family is wa sana.
Wa gino tarata yu.
E kia da fun we na wu. Wa we bore bo ne kia da fun we na wina. Una the passport da fun we. Una nyaga jo bo. You bring the man passport out. Una pieces say the passport.
Yeah.
Because
Papa.
No, joy. You don't want to make the man go outside. Okay, you when you be woman, you feel married 3-4 husbands. You don't want to make the man where be say put money for your head.
We not
you don't want to make him go with another man. No, let look the Uma no let look I mean, you don't want to make the man follow another woman. But you as a woman,
the color everywhere. Or Kalikala. What do you
are capable of marrying 4 husbands, 5 husbands.
Okay.
Something for you as a married woman. Where they say don't sleep with you. You as a married woman, accountable men that have slept with you.
Oh,
when you can't catch the man now with another woman now, you are crying. It's a wickedness, my brother. This is wickedness. You think carry your cassava, your pecus, go give another man they do vagaram every day. You constantly cannot give your man for us, your man go sleep on top of your chest, join her. At the end, the man go sleep on top of your chest. So then now with the talk, the man cassava not they walk again. Okay, the man go outside, may go test another woman. The thing go begin to make ta. When you know say now you be the cause of say that cassava not they walk again. They can't eat it again. If you reach your body, or ya. Or you saw it, or munekonia yakia. You will not shame and disgrace now go use cloth cover up for his ass. But una go come out for live video. Una go they press red edge. Una go they press nonsense for live video. But una shame and disgrace they una body, they una head. Now so now wicked. Some people are so wicked. The world is wicked. Our Benin women are so wicked. Our Benin women, the adulterous women that we have in Europe.
Okay.
They are the adulterous women that we have in Europe.
Okay.
A lot of Benin women that we know. A lot of them, they are the adulterous women that we have. In this Europe we have.
Okay.
A lot of them.
Right.
Look at their life. See how it big. At me, I don't get quiet.
Okay, go ahead. Continue.
Quiet.
Okay, ma'am. They hear you.
Married woman, for that matter, when you are well married, you get mind, you get the audacity to even go outside there to go and sleep with another man.
Okay.
Okay, right now, right away, what he where now I come before you.
Yeah, baby, your way.
When they can't give you the cassava, woto. He not pay way. He not here again. What get not that? He not pay what? He not Ajebaba je kare ya wolowo he. Ona ye wolenu woto. Ajebaba ona pe wo he. Ori ane lele. Ajebo ona ri ane lele wo he. Azafu wa manala lu wa ene ori wa so to ni ba bola wa gbe wa gbon. Wa oru wa mo ya ti ye tori ani na gbon we lori agina we. Na gbon we ri agina we wa gino tagata. Ne ku na mu we. Ashawa gbon shawa imi. Where umai say you are a learner. You are a learner. You are a learner. I have to tell you. Uwe wa we. It's short. Uwe zare. Uzare, my Uzaware, everybody. We deal with you.
You see now, shower must away.
It's still the odds. I see no reason. Where married woman, you go get me, leave your husband for us. Who ya get here outside? What give me a bag, but what go along here?
No,
what go along here? They don't go along. No, my swap. No Jacques Bou et Wagner. Where was you not beer? I can wear boards up from wet on a got you when up beer to wear. Now, don't mean I went here. You pay more in little on whim, no matter where. I pay more in little on no matter where you want. I pay more in me, I beg you pay more in me, little wabbles up away. I go where now, one go where now. One go where now. Where would ya? I pay more in me little way. I go more in me little way. Ujoge ya gbe ozonu mare we you ojoge ya gbe kia. Ujoge ya mo ya gbori ya. No, this is too much. It's too much for me.
I just need to drink to enjoy myself.
This is too much for me.
I'm going to use their video.
I can't take it.
They send message to their woman.
It's too much.
I say, Yobio, I come in peace. I do saga. No. Who they do saga? Now they beat themselves. I do my drink.
Seriously?
I want you.
Yes. It's too much. Because I see no reason. You when you call yourself married woman, I see no reason. Where be say you don't call yourself say you be married woman. Your husband don't do the needful. He don't do everything. Okay, tell me the reason why when you not go fit get patient for the man. Tell me the reason why when you not go fit be follow the man. Tell me what you can't see when you be saying a different waka from left and right. Now you can't the waka. You go fit tell me the reason why. You go fit tell me say this is the reason. You go fit tell me I shower gbon shower me. Na shower the be na their life be that one na. I did be agia no go. Na what did they come be before? Na shower I did be agia ni weya. Inya weya. When they say people they smell. Inya weya. Inya weya o. Inya weya. God forbid bad thing. Inya weya.
Where are
Go for the video where they talking.
Oh, where are you? Avion where? Avion no get word of where?
Salo boa me la o. Me be mi egbe na de o. Iya wa mu e yari agweze. Iya mu e yari ya.
GPC avion where?
Me na de.
GPC. Aviano go.
Rejected me.
GBC.
I GBC Kiamagualo. Nyamuyaria. Where me
Kiano Conco Magualo.
Ekiamagualo. GBC Kiamagualo. Awa we jege. Eba ibieka. Eba ibieka okoro water. Where we kia ibieka. Okay, eba you don't even keep it to only your husband now. Me only your husband stay to do baga you. Now let me order for manya. Nene kia biabo kuaro wasefi. Egbele weno biabo se egbele weno ku. We are mu enjo, we are you not taking it to. Bamu kio biabo eboy. Ota fowele mi no ya gun awe. Obokin yen mu ba. O ya we kia, yen be ya mu e bo be ya we kia re ne.
Salam alaikum. Things they happen.
But where? What caused the problem in the The man caused the problem by himself. That is just the truth. And that man, I caused the problem by himself. Because every responsible man have to know that this is my thing. Let me get this one. He has happy. Yeah, young guys in the that day never with marriage, never marry. He has a working at Yaguamaku. Am I waiting on one? Old man even supposed to even hold their wife pass. Old man even supposed to jealous pass. Wake up.
Alright, my people, I greet you all with better start. Alright, I see one of this is from Peter. You remember you the social media guru. My baba with this man. I just do my drink. How are you? Now, I greet all of you now better style. Now see this whole scenario of Wagenotagata and Monica. It go long. I'm not going to rush now. I'm not going to be. When you see me the rest and that they start. This one that go long. Because they find me this time around. So as they find me, I go use the raw ground. Yes now. I go pull there for ground. So the feel say baby, he don't marry. And you know they talk again because he don't marry. If I don't allow it. Monica. If that's your plan, you are going here with Babus or assume for national peace to reign. Avec Kitty Dobby, I'm going to so when you appear holding me, I am always what? Unstoppable. When I meet you, I focus on you. There were who done again. What can not you know you get big careful. I love wife. How can I let go wife of stupid? Now, for some useless men who did this abroad, we could not stay for life. They can ever leave this adulterous, useless two women first. Let me talk to some useless men for abroad. I do my drink. Yes, I want to kill some men. Bonus sit down. I know some they watch me. Some of our men they useless. Some they okay. Now God will bless those who they okay. Even though not the UK, they okay. Both the one they UK, we see they okay. God will bless all of them. You see those useless men are those men. We born pikin for abroad, we know they ask for their pikin. When they go feel good, they take care of another single mother pikin. But their own pikin, we woman born for this abroad. Unless say na so your papa do you. If your papa not do you like that, pikin when you born, you don't go take care of him. Then you go fit take care of your side chick or your baby mama. When you don't go, when you get for us now, the king, where the one carry come. Omon we yeki we bie, who are battling who no we buy right from a bow handy. Or you biokba bie value, who are battling money. Who will be only give me go to win body. Only give you bo. No, you are bie a big biaga. A gonna be a gonna mommy, not a darling, not a honey. or he stop him no be again, like call lane, or my yako be again. On a bio cow, as an addy, on a big giver, una set you cool, or walk around one more. Because when I go nowhere, or when I send you go away, or when I if you go no to catch you, not take a one golden of because you know. Well, you be again, a boy man is soon or be una you do have for. Una you do the new shabe. I will be a kage. No basse human trafficking won't stop. This one will be a girl buoyant, and I got balanced beer. Anyway, you take a boat, any of your own, any of your sweetheart. No, go away, barrier, you no dare, you never. Una bottom, una mia where your mamma kai of Yaleki. I will be one what in your to Eva Eutana, the Bokeda Layabi. My Bokero can call Layabi because you know, ya, Akwe, or no one Layabi. Now, you see how some of our men they wicked for abroad. Because of money, because of euro, because of pounds, because of dollar. They don't care for their kids, for their blood, their own children. But they feel care for their mistress children. But their own biological children, they don't know whether they eat, they don't know whether they go to school, they don't know whether they go any activities for abroad. But when they play football, they don't feel carry their picky go pitch, they go for training. But when the picky don't become somebody in society, when the pikin not recognized, when the pikin not doing well, they will call the worried the mama. See, they won't call the see their pikin. When no be any vapoga la we. E wa gbogbo e yare wo go. When no be no abandon money who for many years. Una abandon e call ball go e mala o mala money ko de won. O money is one no so adare. O money ki na yen mo ne e ba we do we dey. We get no mi we. We get do a mi we. Baba e va ball la we. Owa ngi na ya le guy o alo nu we walo nsangi kwa until we started the Lakers of those useless men sisi it can't ever stand last year on worry you guys should go last year December I did the same video for you guys. If you know so you give woman belle, go they give her money, even though the woman not just say you want to see your pikin. First of all, first they give the woman money, call the woman, let me send you your account. You want to give your pikin money, make it eat. If they do anything you want to do, if they buy anything you want to buy, they sell go give the pikin. Not they find the woman number. So you want the woman, you want to see your pikin. See your pikin for waiting. You say the woman a fool. You go a bother woman. You a bother woman with pikin for how many years? Suddenly you wake up one day say you want to see your pikin. If I bought lawagbe, who does that? How wire? That the men, you taught us the men where they do those nonsense. You know those shege mugus, because they're not shege fathers, they're shege mugus, shege ozo. Ni abandoning money wo. Iya se parti ni active from no wana go what if one yana buno kwa. Are they useless men abroad? Are they you adore? These are the same men. No you go ya useless men. Your wife will get well. You see this thing they go to work. Been for a good for this Roman self go to for this Italy. Their wife go they will go Oyibo. Husband go there as Oyibo will come with the last wife because of money. Because of money. See children for everywhere for abroad. Where's the father? No father. Where's the father? No father. They are part of their life, they are brought here. So go to Germany. They go run leave the woman for here, go Germany. Follow on that Gomoda. Go to live with that Gomoda for Germany. You turn your own to see Gomoda. You don't follow on that Gomoda. Go to live with for Germany. Okay? No doubt about it. No force. No be forced to the bad woman. If you don't like the woman, you marry that woman, no problem. But they begin your blood with that woman. Make sure say you take the proper responsibility of that baby. As a man. When man koko why ya koko gere wa degi yekideki gui. Useless set of men. Invaluable. Yen yoko ya hitaku. Yen loko. Not going to see some. I'm not really. That is it. If you see the way some of our men they use our women for our brother, you see how our women will pity some. Because those are our women, 85% of them not go school. They come here, come also to take better their family life for Nigeria. You see all these men, they can't take that opportunity. They override these women. Take them for granted. Some of them, when you see today, they give themselves a big name. Now these women turn them to become great person. Use their kwekus husband to bless them. Some do shoro, they bless these men. Many of our women do many things for this abroad just to make sure their husband they okay. At long run, the man will give them belly, dump them, follow that woman. Tell me how that kind of woman will take get love for man. Tell me how that kind of woman will take get respect for Binima. You will hear say woman barren kokobiri. The woman Binima don't do them. Kokobiri not do them. Kokobiri, I know some of our women stay spoiled because of they like big thing. Big thing, you want. Then they find big prick. Understand? Out of it, we see some of our men do our women. Even some of our women to decide that Kokobiri they go follow. Kokobiri they take care of them. They care for them. Kokobiri they give them money. See, some of our women with this abroad, since they don't enter this abroad, if you ask them, they'll say, man, never buy a pant one day. You go say, he never see man money chop one day. Everything that they give man, they are always the giver. Man, how they give them. All because of love. Make peace for them. I don't want to for two place. You go make young girl turn to a didi. Man go they use you like rag. Man go they use you like say you be toy. Now this are bloody for the app. December don't come now. Many men don't plan for their stepchildren. Their own picking. They don't get plan for them. They don't know whether their picking go chop. They know whether their picking go drink. Kwanik be a little bit Papa all like me. I know the beg when I give a soon for national history. Unless no matter not come at table. If no matter come at table, I know the corner. I go do whoever boy get you family war. Because I'm a useless man. Then I'll be the real men with the spread the real penny men for this abroad. For Bogo, where would they come for? Our papa they give our mom money, go market, go, I didn't even want money. But for yeah, now woman they go give my money. Why you be like that, self? Playing the system. Eh? Are you sure? Can I remember when they follow you? Would this market like this? Oh, you go say what you want, go see me want pay for. You go select this way you want pay put. Me go see pay for the rest. I said, why are you going to lie? I carry all those jeans. More pay you. More pay you. You pay you. Because it was after. You didn't have your bonus. You didn't have your I will play you pay your money. You pay you so well. Then you have any America. Tell me what I say. See, you pay so well. Because you pay your woman. Then I go follow. I had. Now you know the video. Wonderful. But our men own. This one now Ebola they talk so. When they talk about black to black. Yedo. Be Calabar, Benny. You useless your Benny sister. See, go to Benny here. Go see our women for streets. Go see with some of the craze. Some of them not get house. Just like that for streets. Find women. Some of their children, they go to collect children with their hand. They call it psych, the streets. Picking on the people they born, we put a collector who frustrate them and men. Some of our women use their children carry market for man for this abroad. At the end of the day, the man dump them with the picking. Good man and woman. No, what I mean? They use their picking carry market for man for this abroad. So as risky as that business. Our women use their picking carry market for man, do one for man to be happy. Hoping say the man will marry you last. At the end of the day, man will dump you for that woman. No go who care about your picking. Tell me how that kind of woman will get soft mind towards men again. Tell me why if I don't go like that kind of mind be. Some of the things our women do, where our men do our women for our place abroad, don't be here. Yes, Nigeria are near a requeen. Yes, Nigeria are feeling weak. But I don't frustrate their sister for abroad here. You know, go and move on one. Look at women for abroad. Single mothers everywhere. Not me somebody give them belly. Where those men? They're out there. They enjoy themselves on that woman. Some of our men know how to put a buff for woman. They go pay bride price for your head. They know say they not go marry you. They go dump you. At the end of the day, you they go to bride price. You not go collect. They not go collect. If we here, I do my drink. Now you go see our women now. They know they trust my gay. They go marry you, they go see get one side boyfriend. We go the boy young condemn. Case this one burn. I don't want to go fall in. It's supposed to be so. No. Who cause our man? Iya mo wona ria. Iya re yan widare mo, iya widare mo, idare ro dele wona ji. Idare do fi ku ma o. Our women be too dull. Idare na kon tie dia we are up. That's why you see old meat we don't fight for here. They wanted to say that idare can spoil here. All those old people we don't fight here. Yeah, I wear Russian man, Russian of Yori. Yeah, there one hour. E one Russian of Yori or dollar wona ji. Wanik be wona back you na. E one Russian of Yori we bona ye mo ya mo. E bi wanik be wona e mo wo no bi wa ge okpo. Wọ́n yà gbogbo àgẹ̀rẹ̀ gbogbo wọ́n fà yíwọ́ wá àwọn ẹbí ọ̀wá wọ́n àhíyàn kọ́kẹ́ ìmọ̀dán wọ́n yà yí mọ́tò drọ́pọ̀ ogun wáyé pò rẹ̀ ní gbé náà dàfọ́ yí mọ́tò yà drọ́pọ̀ yí pò kọ̀ọ̀nà àgbàṣáwó kẹyẹ kẹ̀kọ́ mọ̀má ilá ọgbọ̀n rẹ̀ ni màá náà ló dórí náà tó sẹ́wẹ́ ìkòrò ìbúdó fi hàn ọ́ how can you be a married woman wọ́n á gbẹ́ kọ́ yóò pò yóò carry bẹ̀lẹ́ because wọ́n dey use the hustle for street that's an abomination. Look, I block you. You understand? Just did the wash, no fi comment. Wanik bi mon wa biele. Waka wa bi wa gu wa na. Dize ba se na. Wa gi un gijian. Wi kan ya wi po. Anyway, I feel we rangwa feel no we bien wa no we ka biele we ni omo le pares no va tani ba bohia la we gbe wa o ni ba bo la we gbe bonu ya mo ni kiri o ya mo no dio bonu ya mo no dio o ya mo ni kiri. That's what makes you a man. You balance everything. By the time you don't know what, by the time you don't get on what, it's simple. Magunu ya lo ya kijinya. Move on with your life. Kijinya, move on with your life, okay? Your money, make sure we're taking care of them. Very important. You understand? Now, let's listen to our call on our generation. Our call one of Shagan Nation. So, man, when I get sense, when I wise up, this one an intro. If I come back, I write a message to some men who did this abroad, battle their children. And then when they call a name commands, I get many of them a name for by least full ground. You understand? All those people with us, they just battle their baby mama for Germany. They did Italy here. They form a guy for Italy here. They put mama here for Germany. Yeah, but here, after you come to the money here, you go to Germany. Whereas that I don't know right now.
I will block you. You can't come here.
Understand? Well, I don't know right now.
Let's have a call. When we pay my 25 euro, your adulterous not come there inside my palm. You not come there my hands. It's in my hand, get it back. I beg you.
How many people? Now so you go they lose them, they go. As far as say jealousy won't kill you for Monica, but now your wife for every month.
He said Murphy don't lose how many people. He said don't lose one genotalata honorable water. What day we? You know what? Honorable water. What day we? A married woman. Where this is an adulterous woman. You want to take him as a daughter? You want to take him as your own child? What do you want you to do? Make it go. Go. Because I see no reason a married woman would be sleeping around. When me can tell you the truth as a friend, say, now My pikin, what you they do not good. You go say because of that one. You know, I know you're not gonna come be my pikin again. You want go because I cannot side bad thing. I mean, go on back. Words, as the social media president, you are the header of the social media. Stand for the truth. Who want to go because you are saying the truth? Let them go. The one that see you that you are saying the truth, let them stay with you. Let them stay with you. Now, how do they find them? Let them make it put them. All of them are adulterous. Nia muakia. Mare kedi mamulie.
Okay. You see, Julie don't go for life. When you're Janan, we or too much.
Julie na still adulterous now. Julie na adulterous. I be not be okay. The same way we never talk about that one because we never show of that one. Okay. Where they go?
It's so. When the or with you is a Georgian, if you know where Julie went up once or so. We now where we Jimaka. And the movie in one year. I see America with your born well. So, Ponona, Epala, uma head down, it's okay with poster. You can't get you, Christine, and you can with me a gift.
Hey, Ganga GBC. A Ganga UK, yeah. That is a Mayan UK or a Ganga GBC. Oh, yeah. People. Boy, say again, a battle where you left because adulterous woman wayahin almost to battle where you left. And you are by on a battle where you left because I want to boy and wine almost yagidigba. Like, for instance, I want a conference with somebody. Umudia, what he gule, or my cannot let because I am adulterous woman. She be adulterous, I make her wrong. Anybody where your hand clean, not the wrong, no. Now, you wear your hand not clean. Now you go the wrong. Kakabo, who must go there because of boy, man, wawa. Oh, we are man, wawa, man, wawa, oh, booba man, white, be a go wayakin. Oh, booba man, one. About adulterous woman.
What's your wedding? No, go round, don't bring me. Yapper, don't power every to sing my wedding. I will say social media for free change.
Very well.
When she sent, Ofeno Boma Fenorioma.
No one in a Kakabo.
But the movie on arrest.
Oh, one with you. What a mega bow. Oh, what Feno Boma Fenorioma. And we are bear. And we are here again. The Vera. And we are bear. Una Rio. Urio. Urio here. Oh, yeah, you are Nigeria. I can be wait a minute. Oh, when I was being here now. Oh, when I was waiting out now. Oh, when I was your canking. Oh, when I was in and went. Ijinu. Wagato Ario, Wagelano Suba, Elano Suba, women, Nana. Ije, but that was me. Every now and then, 7 in me wine. How very nice again, one.
Who they beat me?
Not to lemon. Or not.
Yeah, I'm going to
go.
Monica, actually, my brother.
Oh, not Lenue. E better not to lemu or not let it or where I sit up or where I will never stand to hear this. I will never stand to see this. I will never stand at all. Oh not go where you let.
Yeah, but what you are doing?
But lenu we almost want boy o tabo we dey agbogbo. Asun arog boy.
Asun
arog boy. O je boy here tina. Oje buekia o jabo sono nu ele bue nu eme na ne that mowe o jabo sono
where
o zamen wegbe
oh yeah
in Nigeria just because he got me away here they celebrate what a the movie is so keno ovie ka ya ta
Typho e mona time typho
my people.
Oh, yeah, solo. The Facebook is leaking here. My beg agbon na be no je. Wa beg yan. Wa beg be ni yan wa se. Unyi mi yan be no wa ginwe. Unyi na GBC ekiamagwalo GBC na cassava with the fine. GBC ekiamagwalo kwa kwa etuwe. Iwe GBC abi oligbi agia no gogo awa shawa gbon shawe ni abi yan ehuwe mu awe lanu suba awo mo ga gbon mo ge iri abe wa o wa ri lepa o wa we pass nu wa jeju wa gbe a epa si wa we latian because ota na egu menwa away from the beginning to the end is going to expose you all. Yes. Oh je mi ya mo wa ya o menwa oge aje mi mu wa ya ss eyin yo tornado eyin yo da fun wa na to eyin ya da fun wa na to eyin yo tornado ya mu wa ya benu wa le na wa le re yo
me no ga
oh na wa ya mu no le ya le ji wa ase na wa ya mu no wa munu wa social media awa ya munu wa ya ajobo ya munu wa ya pi wa point wa ya leje o to te liga hu wa ge emune ki wa ya leje to e because nya we obi ebo ta I see no reason we ko to ne dore we yo mo zo no ko
what to me mo aja imi wa mu wa ya
benu we na ya gene we ale ni pa Walele, le tota. O le so bo.
O tu mi won ya yin yi wa ya mu wa ya. O ta ne pepe. Aye mu no na amuno. No mani si we ya collect woto. O we ku no gwa ki no woto be ya vie kan. O gbe nyale. What are you saying? Okay, people support people understand, people give me rights. And what tomorrow? In your time and nowhere. Is it not the same people? No, give me my mother, my yeki 1 billion, my yeki 2 billion. Actually, atuari no ho I will GPC no. This life no balance. Out of say December don't come, they want collect bag of rice. They want give una share give away. Hey, you so you baby you are one. Yo. Meno, me we ne sabe with you man. You might do okay. Well, you calling me real life video. You real life video. Hello? Hello, I did live video. Oh. You want to go on, you live video. Okay. Ciao.
Shame and disgrace like
Shame and disgrace must not be. Shame and disgrace must enter their body. Woto. Like the way they enter on our body, they go so woto. See, it's so unfortunately say, after all this video never finish. This video are back to back, blast to blast. Understand? After all this talk, all this humiliation, you still too so low to go the big. Who really get the big shame and disgrace? Not be you and your husband. Who get the biggest shame and disgrace? Not be you and your husband. May God not let me be a man that is not a man enough to take responsibility. May God not let me be that man where go they clap and they follow another married woman. Salopa by Miss Call. Yes. I'm a man of myself. That's the reason why you see me say, for this social media, I say, I don't want to mother again. I don't want the situation where woman will come and probably get husband has come to control me. All because of Godmother, Godfather. I don't need that. As I cancel Godmother, that's why I cancel Godfather. I want to stay calm. Well, if I want help, I help. Who go help me, go help me. All those Godmother, Godfather, and my picking. If you want to talk truth, they'll cover your mouth. I don't need them. I don't need them. I stand to be one man squad. No be na come abroad. Una shishi, one naira, no enter heart, enter past Libya, past Buruku, past Agades, past Saba, past Bragg, enter Italy, Toronto. So I see no reason why at my age, I'll come to look one woman when they commit adulterous, when they don't use adulterous finish the husband. The husband is not even man enough to speak, to control his own house. I call it my lady. My lady can go out here lady. As all the lady can get the view. Dito better. That akbolo nyaka better. Actually, you see you. Where bumu let Ekia lead. No, number one. Because na toto he did down. Now bless down top of the toe. Echo what do you mean? Or better. Oh ye better. Actually, you know you don't want. You like this virtue. To and do you. To Ariaku. Oh, a cockle. You're my boy. Papa, they use on the press in picking bombi. Ariaku. Oh, to Ariaku. Oh, to Ariaku. Be a go. Atwara. Era happy on me. I think I don't Era be a go. Era be Muslim. Now we are going to be Musa Willick. Or buy you. Era buy. Era be before you. That's what I mean. To what I have more. Oh, I told him. Oh, he's well. I mean, yeah, well, I told you. Well, I told you. Gayo. Oh, Papa, Daddy, Sole, Daddy. Can era not this virgin? Era all this virgin. I don't know. One not worry. No more dead beer your way, or could be a double. Actually, mother was a single mother who gave birth to that children outside before marrying to a world. Tori, don't tell my mom this way. They don't want to buy a dinner. Come and tell the world. They don't want to buy a dinner. Come and tell us. We're here to listen. You better come and get Chinese. What you want? After that, yama. And when I need nobody at the end of the day, he has battery with it. Does it mean what worry? Oh, ma, or my bon, or my sino. We are not letting him back. Does it mean actually, or my sister? That's why that man will. And we are not letting him back. Evil. Here was your every lolo. Or bad uses catastrophe. A lolo, a Monica, a Timothy, or your Facebook. Or say, dear, Hannah do social media. No, but Yasek belong you still less a queen. Only Buroko. Or say, near and then ye do social media, no bought the way. No president way. Instead, man, the president, I want own woman. Adulterous women should stop. They should stop cheating on their husband. Is it a bad thing? Is it not a good thing? It's not a good thing that everybody would like to support. People that are reasonable would love to support that motion. Just like human trafficking to be stopped. At the end of the day, who is the gang, the leader of Adulterous? Monica. He packed all these women together, teamed them up, knew their secrets, started frauding the collecting money from their hand to enrich himself and his stupid husband. No you and go on the social media what iye ke ba bilia iye ai wa o wa se vie what did you get kigwe if you what did you could wa on wa arriba bo yan la wa lo asungu wa be lolo wa asungu wa be wa bagbo claro ma la blood civil ma gbolo o ina adulterous woman I don't know adulterous woman I don't know that adulterous women Jare de Joseph yan le mo picture o no rogodo Joseph yan wo mi na nwe malaka gbeke yo he adulterous woman onda rumwa wa gwo wa mi mata wa gbegwe abi sama gwo people abi nonsensical bu abi gbe agya no owo awa shi wele poto pekus awo elegi we no we are or total game agwo wa gbon any half of the people I tell them when I go tell no man I some go nonsense. Why would you support them? Because people are better to say feather flocks together. I don't my drink. They're in a whole while. We're not here, we're roboto. How will you be supporting somebody who's an adulterous woman? 2 weeks ago, Monica said it with her mouth. When you're a secretary adulterous, she said it. Wow. So shameful way. Some of our men allow their wife to be watching, following these people. Why Monica? Our Daphne in our equal Lily Monica, or Daphne Yahoa. We no see this same women in a is a young one. Our don't working, baby nose Lily walking, wagging a go. I would Daphne Yahoa not be. Is was check, go and check. No better man they follow Antoine. No better man follow Antoine. They will call you, they will find every means to defend Antoine for his atrocity. They can never see anything bad about Antoine. That's how to do a useless man. And when we turn now, okay, when we are going to be giving. We was President Antoine, I think that you were on Atiri. Video is stupid, say. They will go. That's how to know how some men useless rich. Go away, say what in Antoine, but you can't say, men did. We sit there and their wife, they wash Antoine like they worship Antoine. If you don't even know President Antoine, not the motto, the Wowo, you know how many men with their wife coming, stupid set of men people. Here, we are Jesus Christ. Because walking here is the head of the house. When woman talk, my husband they may give her phone. You give her phone, I will talk. Only I one more come. Only give me only you go phone, my phone will come back. I want. Instead of a man to call, a go phone or can I to or can I wash away with phone. Then instead now then they call, they will give the back minutes to go to talk. Many useless men, you have boy. I think that but they cannot speak. Amunya nebulia, nebu modio, iya moso dia goze. Nebu filu kure bonya ya file kwa undi gbe agere mu wa. Many ya filu kure bonya ya file kwa undi gbe agere mu ya mu wa. They can't speak. Iya mai ko na chokoro egbe. Ikbe ni bunu ba na chokoro egbe. They don't know. Na ya lelu demo, they don't know, they don't have it. I go better before they wanted to water on that. Don't care. I'm show you what. Nonsense. It's that time I'm gonna go to check on our brain. Let our men when I go work on our brain. If not, many of them here we did equal belly booty. Equal here force to be belly booty because they are revenging now. Equal they are revenging against our men for the evil that our men have done to their life. The silent men now, they know they talk. Many men is already dead already, but their attitude alone tells you where on our wound. One me look, I just want one who has a one. Oh, one when I'm looking, who has a one. They are hanging a one or pay go one. Everything they do is other women. You cannot talk. What's it going? You can't be able to speak. Where my husband? My husband. I'll go ask my wife. I'll go ask my wife. Just like Enoki now. Enoki is a boy. Enoki is dead already. Enoki cannot do anything now. That's got the concept of Osama. Enoki more. Osama. He can't do anything. He can't take any decision on his own without hearing from Osama. Say, oh, but what I do? Mama be say. You understand? But there are some things your wife need to be aware of it. There are some things you do it. Yes, that's what makes you a man. Just for she to know, yes, I did this thing. This is a decision I took today. You understand? She know. In case of the formator man. There's some men will we're not go away. You just know how men are some men useless. Just like only the two of them, the two of them, those two guys, who go for cup. They use this so you themselves who go for cup. Now I'm sick now. Ya get away, my mother is around the sun, we marry. Ya got in, only if I belong to only Bobo Gapa, with Moton. Shock by what already. Laugh last, laugh best. A Becky might buy water in there. Oh, you did cover our video click away. The hotel Yamuni and Yaji. Oh, wow. So women are so stupid. What is not there can never be there. What you cannot start off, what you cannot finish, just start it. Oh, you Becky. A Becky no more. Get where I'm well, Becky. Becky, I want it. We move here. Get where I'm well. Get where I'm well. We move here. Get where I'm well. Get where I'm well. We move here. Becky, I want no more. I don't know of you. If Frankie married Becky, then we are really about it. Ah, na shame. Frankie was here, I married the day. Yeah, I kick one of France, of Paris. Hey, Sylvia, he audio way for them. But Bola, you will be audio way for them. He anyway what for Joseph? One soon for national history. He did well. He anyway what Joseph. The man swung him. You can't buy a select audio. Because when a career can be now go what do you everywhere say that we be We might work with that one. We might work. Because the record is why how are they go put the one? We might work with that one. Wa gia ga wa gbo wa bo lawe gbe na. But no give ya no ya le ya pro. I'll come back to right 2 hours time. I'll come on. No give no time agbon. When a Bobby yak bulu we are boy. Una ya yin yiki. You cover up, you know. It's a love versus of see guy man. You cover up. Moxie you are a house over. Una ya beg yiki. Nobody will not ban we so very no mo ke mujanu wa salu wa gbon wa bo pon go de bingo de lewe e tunu ma money. You see your life now. Go to no be no to not be. Ari ya ni bebo go e Bobby we ya we DNA test. You nora or we onya nora. We DNA test you don't know we again. Mo ge do nyamo. So I say mo ge do nyamo igbi aga no go. A shawe kasalina. O so I say a shawe kasalina. A shawe kasalina filokio. E ko na gbege wa. Ya e ko na gba shawo wa. Mo ge do nyamo. Igbi aga no gbe bugbu. When you make quality ya gba shawo. Return picking to Bobby. Bobby said I get picking. Do DNA test me you post on. Edward Vano, we don't need shouting. Oga, you don't tell me to see your insults. Now DNA test that we need. Give us DNA test of Nora. Show us DNA test of Nora. Bobby said me you do DNA test. If the DNA test not catch him, he will come out on public to come and protect the general public and to your family. Or when we are able or when we are with DNA test, your money in ya. Because when you got salos on the way. Oga, what we carry away. Oga, go do DNA test. Mama will go. Mama will go. We will DNA test and Mama will basta. It's very simple. When DNA test is your mom here, it's not too big to ask. If you really know where, now you really get that picking. If now you really get that picking, when you tell what you go do DNA test. You know when you just already dodge this DNA test. The last time I tell you, not carry one fake DNA test. Working around. But last, because no know how far you pa, you will DNA test. It's a long way. It's a good one. I'm not going to worry about my girl. I don't get son. My girl, you're enjoy myself. Full level. You understand? My brother, I was 11.